Welcome to the A&E Activity and Performance Dashboard. This first page provides a high-level overview of patient demand, clinical activity, and key operational indicators across the emergency department. At the top of the page, we can immediately see headline metrics including total arrivals, arrivals per day, total admissions, and the admissions ratio. These figures give an instant understanding of overall demand and conversion from presentation to admission. To the left, we have a breakdown of reattendances. This shows the proportion of patients who return within the reporting window, helping highlight both patient behavior and potential gaps in initial care and follow-up. The next set of visuals allow us to explore patient. Further down, we can see a histogram of arrivals by age group, giving us a clear picture of demographic demand across the department. To complement this, a time series line chart tracks arrivals over the reporting period, allowing teams to quickly spot seasonal patterns, peaks in activity, or sustained increases in pressure. On the right, the two tree maps highlight the most common presenting complaints and diagnosis outcomes recorded in the department. These visuals reveal the clinical burden driving A&E demand, enabling better planning of staff skill mix and resource allocation. This completes the overview page. Next, we'll drill into patient flow and operational activity within the department. This second page provides a more detailed breakdown of patient flow within the emergency department. It focuses on arrivals, admissions, presenting complaints, diagnosis, and patterns of activity across age and time of day. At the top, we begin with arrivals per day and admissions per day, both segmented by age group. These visuals help identify which age cohorts are driving daily activity and where admission pressures are more pronounced. To the right, we explore patient volumes across a 24-hour cycle. The first line chart shows patients per hour alongside the maximum patients seen across all days. The ribbon chart then overlays hourly patient distribution by age group, helping surface patterns such as pediatric peaks, evening surges, or overnight pressures. We introduce two Sankey diagrams mapping patient pathways. The first visual links presenting complaints to discharge outcomes, showing how different complaints translate into clinical decisions. The second links diagnosis to discharge outcomes for admitted patients, offering a clear view of clinical pathways, rework, and flow bottlenecks. To the right, the two top 10 matrices summarizes the most frequent presenting complaints and diagnoses measured as average patients per day. This helps clinical leaders focus on the areas of highest demand and ensures operational decisions are informed by the most common case types. Within this page, clinical and operational teams can explore activity patterns in far greater detail. Next, we'll move on to the final page where we analyze time spent in the emergency department. This final page focuses on patient outcomes and the time patients spend within the emergency department, a crucial measure for performance, safety, and patient experience. At the top, we see key metrics, total arrivals, numbers and proportion of patients waiting more than 5 hours, and the numbers and proportion waiting more than 12 hours. These headline indicators align closely with national performance standards and provide an immediate view of departmental pressure. On the left, we provide interactive control through a selectable measure parameter. Users can switch between arrivals, admissions, discharges, did not wait, and no outcome. Selecting any category refreshes the visuals, enabling targeted exploration within specific patient cohorts. To the right, the first bar chart shows how the selected outcome varies by hour of day. This helps identify critical periods for delays, peaks in discharge activity, or times when patient flow stalls. Next to it, we see a distribution by age group for the selected outcome, helpful for identifying vulnerable groups or those most likely to wait longer. Below, a ribbon chart merges the hourly and age group views, showing how patient groups move through the department across the day. This offers a richer understanding of the interaction between demand, age demographics, and operational capacity. On the right-hand side, we provide a comparison of arrivals and admission time spent at key stages: arrival to triage, arrival to being seen by a clinician, and seen to diagnosis. These metrics shine a light on process efficiency, clinical responsiveness, and areas where the department may benefit from workflow improvements. Together, these 3 pages provide a comprehensive interactive view of A&E activity and performance, from high-level insights to detailed patient flow analysis. This dashboard supports operational decision-making, clinical governance, and service improvement. Thank you for watching.